Hi, I'm Courtney, and today I'm going to take you on a stroll with two in the Scooter X2 by Joovy. The Scooter X2 is an awesome double stroller with side-by-side seats. This model was recently updated with a fresh new look that includes a modern graphite-colored frame. It's incredibly smooth and easy to maneuver, thanks to the larger sealed bearing wheels in front and back. The Scooter X2 is designed so I can easily fit through most doorways. Each of the seats holds a child up to 45 pounds and recline independently, ensuring both children are comfortable. Plus, it has an enormous canopy with a very large window so I can keep two eyes on both kids. There's more storage on the Scooter X2 than in any stroller I've ever seen. I mean, just look at this lower basket. Plus, there's two mesh drink holders and zippered pockets to keep valuables safe. And the kids each have mesh pockets in their seats for snacks and toys. It easily folds with one hand and can fit in most trunks. The Scooter X2 comes in a variety of colors and at a very reasonable price. Remember, if you have questions about any of our products, please call us at 877-456-5049. Our customer service is the best. This is Courtney, and I'll see you next time.